Hello, welcome to the MicroGranny disassemble tutorial with Honza, who will now show you how to take off the knobs and the plastic parts from your instrument. So, what you will need is like flat screwdriver, like this, or it could be like a knife or something with a sharp flat end. Some protective piece of fabric or paper or something. This is used for prevention from like scratching the front panel. And also you will need for disassembling the plastic parts, you will need the Allen key for these screws. All right. And now we're gonna go with taking off the knobs. So you take the paper or something protective, place it right next to the knob, and then you with just the simple lever system you take it out like this. You can see that you don't need any extra power or apply strong pressure or anything in order to get the knobs out. So that's done, and for disassembling the bottom part you need a Phillips screwdriver, and you disassemble the bottom part in order to exchange batteries. You can see the battery clip here, and the sides have these little teeth, or I don't know how to call it, that keep it in place. And now we are disassembling the screws with the Allen key that keep the front panel firmly attached to the PCBs. And here we got naked MicroGranny. Ta-da! Right? So with the naked MicroGranny you can access all the top and bottom circuitry. Here's the chip that works as an amplifier for the inputs. And můžeš sundat ještě tady tu spodní desku. And in order to get to the main controller IC, so we have to disassemble this. This screw that was like mounted over here with the Phillips key, and now the bottom board. The bottom board needs to have these like little hexagonal spacers removed first, which keep it firmly screwed together. And now you can just like pull it apart. Boom. And here, this IC, which has written Atmega 328 on it, is the main IC with the firmware. So that's the one that you exchange when you do the firmware upgrade, or when there's some trouble. Take note that there's a very important spot. You can see this like little marking on one of the sides, you see? And when you are replacing this chip, it's very important to keep the same orientation, not putting it there with the marking on the other side. That's the only important thing. Then you just like put it back together. And also there's one little thing that I want to make sure for you is that this is the front panel from the back side. You can see all the buttons like being there. If it's disassembled, and you always keep it like this, the buttons don't fall out. So just make sure you always have it in this position and not let the buttons go out. It would like give you plenty of extra work. So that's it. Thank you, Honza. And yeah, I hope this is helpful for you. Cheers!